Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another tarot unboxing. Today I'm super excited to finally get to open up this new release, the Star Spinner Tarot by Trungles. Hopefully I said that right. This is supposed to be a very diverse, very inclusive, very LGBTQ+a friendly deck. It is 81 cards because there are, I believe, multiple lovers cards representing different types of love, which is super exciting. So I've said it once, I've said it before, I will say it a million times, tarot is for everyone. So I feel like it's very important to be able to see yourself reflected in a deck, especially if you're practicing with it. So let's get into it. This is a deck that retails for $24.95, and I will link everywhere I know where you can find it down in the description box below. Again, I am not sponsored or paid for these unboxing/reviews. I just want you guys to find what you're looking for, okay? So it says, let the stars light your way. Enter a world where fairies play, mermaids yearn, and threads of the familiar and fantastic are spun together to guide you on your own personal journey. Featuring beloved comics artist Trungles' exciting, enchanting illustrative style, the Star Spinner Tarot reinterprets classic tarot imagery for a more inclusive deck with multiple lovers cards to reflect a range of romantic expression and illustrations drawn from stories, myths, and fairy tales. So it does have a 128-page guidebook. This is Chronicle Books. Let's see, manufactured in China, designed by Maggie Edelman and Evelyn Ferruda. Again, I apologize if I cannot say your name right. Little hinged box. Ooh, look at how cute these are. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we have a ribbon. Oh my goodness. Okay. Cute. So the box is pretty tiny, which is nice. It's like waste not, want not. I'll put you to the side. Okay, first let's go ahead and take a look at the little guidebook before we get into the cards. So it's really compact, and it does have the upright and reverse meanings. And let's see, it does have three spreads. And let's see, that's about it. An introduction to tarot, and then a little bit about the major and minor arcana. But that's about it. So you have a really cute, compact little guidebook for you guys if you take your decks with you. So we'll go ahead and look at, we'll pull a card and look how it will read at the end. But let's go ahead and take a look at each of the cards. So, oh my goodness, the back is super cute. Ring light, there we go. I love this color here. Okay. And it begins. The cards are a great thickness. They're not too thick. They're not too bendy. They snap back really nice. Awesome. All right. Magician. I love the crazy colors. Really neat. Okay, so do we, oh yeah, so we're gonna go through all of the lovers cards right now. Okay, very cool. This is a lot of color. It's a lot of bold color, which is very fun. I'm loving the inclusiveness. I'm loving the diversity, which is fantastic. That tower card is really neat. Now, I'd like to hear from you guys. Is diversity and inclusivity something that you look for in a deck? Because I feel like that's important. I feel like that's something that isn't really talked about enough. Okay, we're going into the wands, which is super cute. Oh my goodness. But I feel like as we're getting more advanced in our society, I feel like it's important to advance along those lines as well. But does it bother some of you if there's not enough inclusivity? I'm just curious because it kind of bothers me. I always look for that in the decks, unless it's like a specific theme. It's always something that it's one of the first things I notice, whether it's inclusive and diverse. Very cool. They feel really good in your hands, the cards. Feel really, really nice. They slide easily. They don't stick, which is fantastic. There's no real holographic edges on this one. Tarot, I'm looking at you. So that's really, really nice. Nice gliding. I feel like the imagery is really cool. And it looks like there's themes of color in the background for each suit, each minor suit, which is exciting. It's just a different take and I'm really excited. Oh, that's really cool. I like the red just coming through. Awesome. Okay, yeah, and the green for the pentacles here. Very cool. I'm really enjoying this. I'm excited to see how it shuffles. Little doggy. Sweet. All right, and that's the last one. Okay, so let's go ahead and try out the shuffling and then we'll pull a card and see how the guidebook reads, okay? Very nice. Whoop. Yeah, they shuffle just fine. They're not sticking together. They're very flexible. They snap back into place. Whoop. Yeah, I am enjoying these. And every single time I do one of these videos, I have dropped a card on the floor. All right, so I guess I'll go ahead and pick that card up and that's the card that we'll read. And I dropped another one. Goodness gracious. Well, let's see. That is the Two of Cups. Two of Chalices. I love the pinks. All right, so let's go ahead and find the Two of Chalices here. And it says upright. That's the 3. The Two of Chalices refers to a healthy and mutually beneficial unity. It is indicative of earnestness and bodes well for partnerships of all kinds, from romantic relationships to business partnerships, striking a healthy balance between the pair and the individuals. So, I think this is fantastic. Just enough information. It doesn't really have like keywords for you guys who like the keywords, but to be fair, I feel like this is great for a beginner. This is great for any kind of level of tarot reader. It's got enough information for you. It's all in this cute little compact, very sturdy, hinged, creatively made box here. it's got all the diversity, it's got all of the inclusivity, you know, so regardless of whom you're reading for, I feel like they're going to feel included. I feel like they're going to see themselves in this deck. And I feel like if you're using this strictly for yourself, you're going to see yourself in this deck. There's just so much creativity, so much thought, I feel like, went into this deck. And the imagery is just beautiful. So, I mean, I can't really fault it at all. It's just really fun to go through and look at these images, and putting them next to each other too. It's just, you see things that pop out really, really well. So yeah, I'm all right with this deck. I am absolutely all right with this deck. So hopefully this helps you guys out. Obviously, when you use this for every day, you can put in the lover card that works best for you or your person you're reading for. So that way you have the exact 78 cards. But I feel like that was such a great idea. And I feel like that was such a needed idea that they included all of those different versions. I feel so like happy, like finally that was done. I don't know if any other deck has done that before, so let me know if I'm wrong, but I feel like that's a pretty unique thing. But yeah, inclusivity, very friendly for everybody and everybody. All right, guys, let me know what you think. Is this a deck that you're excited about? Is this the deck that you're going to be purchasing? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, because I love reading your opinions, your thoughts, your questions. I love them. So let me know down in the comment section, and then don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.